Welcome to the MedRite video documentation. This tutorial covers how to edit a resident's devices and equipment. Devices and equipment appear on the physician's orders, plan of care, and MD reports. To begin, navigate to Residents, Edit Resident, select the resident in question from the Resident Selection panel, and select Devices and Equipment from the Actions panel. Here the table shows all devices and equipment data entered for this resident, including the date that it was added, the type of device or equipment, the exact device or equipment added, and 2 action icons. To add new devices or equipment to this resident, select the Add Device Equipment button. In the Add Device Equipment modal, on the far left is a pull-down to select the type of device or equipment being added. Here we will select a toileting device. The second pull-down is used to indicate the name of the device. Select from the devices and equipment that have been configured for the facility of this device type, or select Other and define a new device or equipment. Here we will select Raised Toilet Seat. Additional devices or equipment can be added simultaneously with the plus icon. Selecting it adds another row of inputs. Once again, select the type. Here we will select Other, and we will define our own device or equipment. When ready, click Submit to add every defined device or equipment to the selected resident. The new entries for devices and equipment are now seen in the table. This resident had an entry for toileting saying that there is no device or equipment. Because we just added a toileting device or equipment, this entry is no longer valid. Therefore, we will remove it with the X delete icon. Entries can also be modified with the Edit Pencil icon. Select it and edit the entry just like when creating it in the first place. Then submit. This updates the information. Note that the pre-configured device and equipment types and entries within those types are completely configurable. View the AWP configuration documentation for details on how to configure the devices and equipment for the facility. That concludes the tutorial on editing resident devices and equipment. For more detailed information, view the EditResident Devices Equipment written documentation. Thank you for watching this MedRite tutorial.